class. I'm your teacher for today. I'm Hazel Ann Ibaybayan. Our topic for today is about the simple present tense of verbs. The objectives of this topic: at the end of the lesson, the student should be able to A. Identify the present tense of verbs in a sentence. B. Use simple present tense of verbs in a sentence correctly. C. Explain and discuss the importance of the simple present tense. So before we start, let us all stand for the opening prayer. Good morning, class.
Good morning, Mom.
How are you today?
We are fine.
Is there anybody absent today? So before we proceed to our lesson, let's have an energizer you need to find the correct simple present tense of verbs. So last time we discussed about verb. Who can tell me the meaning of verb?
Verb is a word that expresses action, state of being, or relation between two things in a sentence.
That's correct. So what are the two types of verbs?
Linking verb and action verb.
What is the what is linking verb?
It connects the subject to the information about it. There is no action involved.
That's correct. Can you give me an example of linking verb?
Is or has, have, etc.
Very good. So what is an action verb?
Action verb is a word that describes the action being performed by the subject of a sentence.
So give an example of action verb.
Walk, talk, play, sing, dance, etc.
So before we start our next lesson, let us have a game called charades. The mechanics of the game. Number one, the class will be divided into two groups. On the board, there are numbers. Each number contains a word that they should act. Each group must have representative who will choose a number from 1 to 10. While someone is acting the word, the rest of the members should guess the act. Each will be given 30 seconds to guess the correct answer. The group who got the higher score will be the winner. What did you notice about the game?
The words are example of verb.
That's correct. Those are examples of verb. What kind of verbs are they?
Action verb.
Very good. Action verb and linking verb can be used in simple present tense. Today, we are going to discuss about simple present tense of verb. So, simple present tense expresses habitual action, present state or a condition, future action, and general truths or facts. In simple present tense, all we have to do is to add an s or es to the verb. But we also have to make sure that the subject should agree with the verb. If the subject is singular, verb should be singular also, or with s. But if the subject is plural, verb should be plural or without s or the base form. So did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Let us discuss the four uses of simple present tense one by one. So number one, habitual action. Uses to refer to the repeated or regular actions, and it is usually used with adverbs. Always, always, usually, often, normally, sometimes, occasionally, seldom or rarely, and never. And time expression. All the time or at all time, every now and then, once a while, generally, once or twice a week. So example of this is mom always cook the dinner. She always go to bed at 8 o'clock in the evening. So, did you understand about the habitual action?
Yes, ma'am.
So, give the correct simple present tense of the verb that I'm going to tell you. So, number one, Kuroko always blank
Right.
blank ride a bus to school every day. So, what is the habitual action in number one?
Kuroko always rides a bus to school every morning.
So, number two, Taiga generally blank review his lessons in the morning.
Taiga generally reviews his lesson in the morning.
So, number three, Kisses blank brush her teeth twice a day.
Kisses brushes her teeth twice a day.
So, what is the simple present tense in this sentence? Action in this sentence?
Rides, reviews, brushes.
That's correct. So, in number two, present states or condition. It uses the verb to express the present condition or state of the subject. So, for example, the weather today is be cool. She belong to the first group. So, did you understand the present state or conditions?
Yes, ma'am.
So, give the correct simple present tense of the verb in this sentence. Number one, we blank want a new car.
We want a new car.
Number two, night blank live in Greece.
Night lives in Greece.
Number three, they blank be very noisy.
They are very noisy.
So, what is the present state or condition in this sentence?
One leaves are.
That's correct. So, we're going to the next. The future action. It uses the verb to express the action that is happening in the near future. For example, the train leave at 8:30 a.m. Number two, the plane arrive at 10 p.m. So did you understand the meaning of future action?
Yes, ma'am.
So give the correct simple present tense of the verb in this sentence. So number one, the party blank start in few minutes.
The party starts in few minutes.
Number two, the exam blanks finish at 10:30 a.m.
The exam finishes at 10:30 a.m.
Number 3, my friends blank arrive at 3 p.m.
My friend arrived at 3 p.m.
So what is the future action in this sentence?
Starts, finishes, arrive.
Number 4, general truths or facts. It uses the verb to express the truth or fact information about the subject. So the example of this is the moon shine at night. We speak Filipino and English. So did you understand the general truths or facts?
Yes, ma'am.
So give the correct simple present tense of the verb in this sentence. So number 1, the earth blank go around the sun.
The earth goes around the sun.
The sun blank rise in the east.
The sun rises in the east.
Number 3, the water blank be clear.
The water is clear.
So, what is the correct simple present tense in this sentence?
Goes, rises, is.
Why do you think knowing the simple present tense of the verb is important to us? Yes, it is important to us to know the simple present tense of verbs so that we will be able to compose correct grammar in speaking or writing. So, what are the meaning of simple present tense?
Simple present tense expresses habitual action, present state or a condition, future action, and general truths or facts. In simple present tense, all we have to do is add an s or s to the verb, but we also have to make sure that the subject should agree with the verb. If the subject is singular, verb should be singular also, or with s. But if the subject is plural, verb should be plural or without s or the base form.
What are the four uses of simple present tense?
For habitual action, present state or condition, future action, and for general truths or fact.
Can you give an example of sentence using habitual action? How about the sentence using present state or condition? What about a sentence using future action? How about the sentence using general truth or facts? So, did you understand the meaning of simple present tense of verb?
Yes, ma'am.
So, let us proceed to your quiz. So, select the correct simple present tense of verb inside the parentheses to complete the sentence. Number 1, the class start. The class blank start at 8 o'clock in the morning. Number 2, cats blank catch mice. Number 3, it blank is are very cold outside. Number 4, stones blank is are hard. Number 5, my sister blank watch TV every day. For your assignment, find the simple present tense in this story. The old lighthouse keeper, Silas lives a solitary life. He wakes before dawn, the seagulls already swapping in their morning greetings. He climbs the winding stairs, the cold stone chilling his hands. The lamps burns brightly, a beacon against the endless gray. Ships sail past, their lights twinkling in the distance. Salas polish the lance, his movements precise and practiced. He checks the fuel levels, ensuring a steady flame. He listens to the rhythm of the waves, a constant companion. Sometimes a storm rage, the wind howling a furious song. Celas remains calm, his duty unwavering. He watches the tempest, a silent guardian. When the storm passes, a fragile peace returns. The sun rises, painting the sky in vibrant rose. Celos sips his tea, content, content in his quiet world. He knows the sea, and the sea knows him. He is the keeper of the light, a lonely sentinel, but never truly alone.